with family correct pidgin yarnings. Now we dey do and we dey look back all the better ogbonge things wey happen yesterday for Champions League. Marouane Fellaini scored the only goal wey Manchester United take qualify go round of 16. E good to Babe o. E dey very good to Babe. All of una wey no dey like Babe, make una go copy Marouane Fellaini. When you Babe, you become a better man. And Real Madrid with their coach Santiago Solari, many people don dey fear say, oh boy, you sure say Solari no dey read that same book wey Lopetegui dey read when they lose to Eibar 3-0. But Real Madrid they don come back yesterday against Roma 2-0 and that one end. But the Coco, the main team wey dey look this morning na Manchester City and their coach Pep Guardiola. And they ask, wetin Pep Guardiola go fit do to this Manchester City side to take them win Champions League? You remember the last time we win Champions League na with Barcelona? If Pep Guardiola no win Champions League again with Man City, he don die for Bayern Munich, he no fit. If he no fit win with Man City, you go call Pep Guardiola failure? Abi you go just say na one of those things make we comot eye? I wan know wetin you dey think this morning concerning Man City and Pep Guardiola and many ogbonge games dey for Champions League sef today wey we fit watch, make we use take enjoy ourselves. How we go do na?